This is job SC0112. We're going to show the low pressure operation of the press. There's a selector switch for low or high pressure. When low pressure is selected, the pressure can be adjusted with a needle valve on top of the panel. And there's a button that can be pushed to read the pressure on the gauge right next to it. You'll be provided a chart that's going to show the pressure necessary to generate 240 pounds or 800 pounds or really anywhere in between there. We're going to give you settings for the bottom opening and the top opening, but in this instance we're just going to show you the top opening because you would have to somehow secure the sliding platen in an up position to be able to work on that bottom opening. So I'm going to raise the press up, activate the 2 pound buttons. During the low pressure mode, the motor runs all the time. When you go to high pressure in a regular molding application, the motor will shut off when clamped. Okay. Press is in slow movement now in the pressing mode. It'll take a second here for it to clamp. When working on the top opening, to get the 240 pounds, you're going to need 58.09 psi, and to get 800 pounds, you're going to need 102.65. I'm going to show you here on the gauge how you adjust it. You hold in the button to read it. You can read the gauge as you're turning the needle valve and set the pressure right where you want it. So you're going up, you can do the 102, were you already there? Mm-hmm. All right. So now you bring it down to 58.09 right in there, and you're at 240 pounds. And the press will stay there until you push the open button. Clamp open button right there. Platens are all set at 300 degrees. You've got 2 different types of controllers here. There's 4 individual platens. Now show them, Denny, how they can go and switch to high pressure if they want. So you're in low pressure now, going up. Doing the final close, pressing mode. Now you switch to high pressure. Now you're working off the main gauge, and you can adjust the set point on that gauge from 0 up to 12 tons. And when it hits that pressure, the motor will shut off. Then you hit the open button when you're done. Motor starts up. Reaches the bottom, motor shuts off.